Not yours?
Not at the moment. I don't have my ID, but I do have my driver's license.
Nothing. She got dropped off. She said didn't call in about the car, and it's a Range Rover.
They had drove me all the way down here. Gave me that, and told me just go in there and say that you want a car down.
An 18-year-old, a forged ID, a luxury car dealership. The question is not whether she broke the law. The question is how many laws she broke simultaneously, and who is actually most responsible under Ohio statutes.
I don't know if we want to go around a different way or not, but so we got her just sitting in there.
Oh, okay.
Just a quick rundown. So she gave us a credit app. She had trouble filling out her information. Signed on the back. Her name's Emily. Signed it with a second E in the name. Came in saying she wanted
like at the beginning?
Yeah. No, it's Emily, and then instead of just L-Y, E-L-Y, and that's not how her name is on the license. She just has like a temp license. She said she wanted a $450 payment. Wasn't sure if she'd get approved. Showed her a $1,200 payment. She signed right away. We looked up the address. Doesn't line up. She says she's in Cincinnati. Works at Cleveland Clinic. Nothing. She got dropped off. She said didn't call in about the car, and it's a Range Rover. So
you guys have her license?
I have the temp license in there. Do you want to go by her, or do you want to go around?
I just want to see the license. Maybe I can run it and see.
It's one of and the temp license says she got it at the Ellet ad, like up here. This doesn't. We pulled her credit. We asked her if she had any previous car loans. We could see that she did. She said no.
Huh. But does the picture on her look like her?
It's hard to tell because it's the temp and it's been like copied.
Yeah.
How's it going, man?
Hi.
Here's the license. Here's the app. So she signed.
Huh.
Obviously, that doesn't really match that.
And then she signed it again here with the second E.
Then we asked her just simple questions about her credit report, like previous auto loan. She didn't know she had one or not. This is a $54,000 loan she had before, and she's from there. She says she works at the Cleveland Clinic in Cleveland. It's a 216. And then look where she got this at, right over in Ellet.
Where's Mason? That's Cincinnati?
Yeah, down to Cincinnati.
Where's she saying she's living now?
She says she's lived here for 3 years and 3 months. But you can see here, she almost screwed up that.
Was she looking at her license when she's filling this out at all? Or?
So my sales guy, you guys want to grab this? My sales guy said that he is making a copy of this, so he had it with her, and she was struggling to fill this part out without the info.
There.
Hello.
Can you guess why I'm here today?
Why?
Can you guess? You don't, no idea? Okay.
Is my ID?
Yeah. Folks, they're telling me, and you can tell me this is true or not. Where do you live right now? Don't look at this. Where do you live?
I live on 39.
In Cleveland?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a real ID on you?
No, not right now.
No? It's not yours?
Not at the moment. I don't have my ID, but I do have my driver's license.
What's your name?
Lala.
Okay. Lala. Stand up, put your hands behind your back. So you know on that piece of paper that you made up? You know how it says?
I didn't.
Read that. Did you read it about the forgery part?
Yes.
Okay. Even says there. You have anything on you that's illegal?
No.
Anything sharp, dangerous?
No.
Drugs?
Nope.
Weapons or anything like that?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Anything else besides your phone?
Nope.
No? Okay. All right, I'll be right back in, if you don't mind. Someone wouldn't mind waiting around. I know you guys are closing and looking to go home or anything like that. Alright, we're going to walk right out these doors here. You stand right by this front tire for me. Well, listen, you got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. You understand all those rights that I read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Why are you out here with that fake license?
It wasn't even my idea, but somebody did some dumb shit.
So whose idea was it? What were they trying to do?
I guess they were trying to put a car, get a car down and just keep it or whatever, but I told them I don't think that's a good idea because, you know what I'm saying, this is me taking a big ass risk. On top of that, this is my ID, you know what I'm saying? This is my stuff. On top of that, I'm still young. So when I had came in here, they had said...
Copy. So you were told what?
That'd be an 18-year-old female.
They told me to come. They had drove me all the way down here. Gave me that, and told me just go in there and say that you want a car down for for $0.
Okay. Well, how'd you think that was a good idea? Or even going to work?
Exactly. Well, I have a job, but I raised my grandma, like I literally take care of her. This is irritating.
So you knew that you're coming in here with a fake ID to try to buy a car?
Not
really?
buy it.
Not buy it, then what?
I wasn't going to
Leasing?
buy it. It was $0 down. I was going to try to see if I was going to get approved for it. So.
Okay. And you're going to try to get approved for it, and if you got approved, then what?
Nothing.
You're going to walk out the door?
I was just
Or you're going to try to get the car?
No, I couldn't. I can't drive the car. I ain't driving it, but I was gonna see if I could get approved. Then I was gonna come back, next day or something. Well, whatever they wanted to do. But I was just trying to see if I could get approved for a car.
Okay. You're 18 years old?
Yes.
Have you tried this before?
Nope. Nope. It's my first ever time experience ever doing something like this.
You been arrested before?
Nope.
Even as a kid? I mean, that's expunged or sealed, I should say. No?
This is very nerve-wracking for me, so no, I haven't.
These pants stolen too?
No. I just got these the other day from my auntie. I just kept the tag on there just to show people I got money. Something that I don't know why we do that, but that's what we do. We'll keep the tags on our stuff, just show people how much it costs.
No. We don't do that in Akron. It must be a Cleveland thing. Or some of your group peoples. Did you read this thing at all? Or?
Nope. And I should have read that.
You should have read this part?
Yep. I should have read that shit. You right.
It tells you it's illegal to have this right on it.
I didn't even read it.
This part you probably didn't read.
I have my own license.
This part you didn't read, but I'm sure you probably studied this part real good to try to...
I should have read it. But I have my own license. That's what's wild to me. Like, I should have read that shit.
Who made that?
I know the person who had it made. I know who that is. And I know their Instagram. And yes, I would be a snitch. I don't care.
Who made it?
His name is on Instagram.
Do you know his real name at all?
No.
No? Do you know
I
what
just
he
know
says
what he looked like. Nope. I know his number.
What's his number?
It's in my phone.
Alright.
But I can show you the Instagram.
Why'd you guys decide to come down on Akron and try it?
This is where they took me. I had no clue there was, I'd never had any clue that we was going this far. So when I looked at my location, I'm like, why is we going all the way to Akron?
Yeah.
This is far as hell.
Yeah.
This past Bedford. I'm like, man,
Yeah.
bro.
You guys had the whole Bedford Auto Mile. Right there. All them car dealerships.
I'm just irritated. Honestly. Some bullshit.
Yeah. if you do have anything you're not supposed to have, they have a scanner at the jail.
That's fine. I don't got
They'll
nothing.
see it. They can see stuff that's inside you. It's like an X-ray machine.
Yeah, I don't
So
got
tell
nothing.
us now, because it's another felony charge.
It's much. I don't got nothing.
I'm
I just came out here with my phone to myself.
okay. So is this the car she was trying to buy? This Kia? Did she come? Did she come in with this, or?
She's coming. No, I needed her to show me proof of insurance. So whoever she was talking to created that, and then she's.
Oh, it is okay. It is insurance. Okay.
She had me take a picture of it off of her phone.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Never a dull moment in your route.
Can't believe they thought she could get away with it. But when you're 18, I guess. Hey. Lala, tell me about these insurance documents. Huh?
They sent that to me so I could show you.
They sent it to you? Okay, so you didn't come up with them yourself? Was it the same person that TAFE 4 person sent you these things?
My phone, I could show you.
Okay.
All the messages.
They're up in Cleveland now? This TAFE person? Or do you hang out with them in person at all?
Well, this is actually my second time meeting them. They shouldn't be that far, not too far from here, because they the ones who dropped me off and was waiting. So.
Was it the TAFE guy that dropped you off? He dropped you off?
Yes.
Were you supposed to call him to come pick you up?
Well, it was when I came out. They were supposed to be waiting right there where they dropped me off at. But they supposed to.
They probably saw me and took off. I bet you.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. But
What kind of car they got?
it was a Nissan.
What color?
Gray Nissan. And that when I first pulled up, I was sitting over there.
They were sitting over there. You could see them.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, they probably took off. That'd be dumb to hang out. Okay.
This is so stupid. Excuse me.
Yes.
Is there any way I could show you the text messages or like his number or anything?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna pay.
Yeah. What are you trying to say?
Like, I ain't trying to get put down for this. I got a life. I got work.
But you did.
But I'm not the one who made the thing.
You gotta be careful with what you do. You're 18 now. You got some real consequences.
Do you know how long I'm gonna be in there?
No, I do not know.
Could you call my mom for me?
You'll be able to do that in here, tonight.
Could I just show you the guy's face or anything?
I don't need to see that at the moment.
Okay.
Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.31 defines forgery as presenting any writing that purports to be genuine when it is in fact simulated with purpose to defraud. This is a felony of the 5th degree. The decisive element is not what the document looked like. It is what the subject knew when she presented it. By signing a credit application containing an explicit fraud warning, the subject satisfied the mens rea requirement under Ohio law. Criminal intent does not require designing the crime yourself. It requires knowing you are facilitating one. That distinction will not protect her in court. Miranda versus Arizona 1966 requires rights advisement before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. Warnings given after handcuffing but before substantive questioning place this interaction on solid constitutional ground. The timing here was legally correct. Under North Carolina versus Butler 1979, an explicit waiver of Miranda rights is not required. Continuing to speak voluntarily after receiving and acknowledging the warnings constitutes a legally sufficient implied waiver. Every statement made after that point is fully admissible. 3 statutes apply simultaneously. Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.31, forgery felony 5. Ohio Revised Code Section 4507.3, fictitious license misdemeanor 1. Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.02. Theft by deception, felony 3 for a vehicle exceeding $8,000. Combined sentencing exposure exceeds 36 months incarceration. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.03, a person who aids, abets, or directs another to commit an offense is punishable as if they were the principal offender. The individuals who created the documents, designed the scheme, and transported the subject bear equal or greater liability under Ohio law regardless of their physical absence at the scene. The most legally significant moment in this footage is not the arrest. It is when the subject confirms she possessed her own legitimate identification when she chose to present the forged one. That single fact eliminates any necessity defense and converts coercion into informed participation. The subject cooperated fully and named the organizers. But what happens when the person who took all the risk faces the same charges as the person who designed the scheme? And what does the law do when the only witness is the defendant herself?